हाय हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल माय डियर स्टूडेंट। आज का वीडियो आप लोगों का बहुत ही रिक्वेस्टेड वीडियो है। आप लोग बार बार मुझसे बोल रहे थे कि मैं आपकी क्लास 12 की प्रिज्म की बुक की पहली जो स्टोरी यानी कि अतिथि गेस्ट उसको मैं अपलोड करूँ, उसका MCQ और गिव रीजन्स वाले क्वेश्चंस। तो इसलिए मैंने ये वीडियो आपके लिए बनाया है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पे आते हैं। Why did Motilal Babu get his boat moored near a riverside market? So options are to buy new clothes, option B to get his retinue meal prepared, option C to buy English language books, and option D all of the above. The correct answer is option B, that is to get his रेटिनियर मील प्रिपेयर। इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियो ऑलरेडी मेरे चैनल पे है, अगर आप लोगों ने नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज़ जाके देखिए। आपको अगर स्टोरी में कुछ भी दिक्कत समझने में तो बहुत ईजी आपको समझ में आ जाएगी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पे आते हैं। वेयर डिड तारापथ वांट टू गो बाय बोट? ऑप्शंस आर कथालिया, बी चारुशिला, सी नंदीग्राम और डी सोनपुर। तो अगर आप लोगों ने स्टोरी अच्छे से पढ़ी आपको पता है कि वो कहाँ जाना चाहता था, नंदीग्राम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पे आते हैं। विच द फॉलोइंग ग्रुप्स तारापथ डिड नॉट ज्वाइन? जात्रा ग्रुप, पांचाली सिंगर्स, जिम्नास्टिक ग्रुप्स और चैरिट फेस्टिवल ट्रूप। सो he has not joined option number D, that is chariot festival group. Why did Motilal Babu consent to Tarapath's request of allowing him to sail with them in the boat? A. He would help them to prepare their meals. B. He would entertain them on the way. C. He was impressed by the pure and natural innocence in Tarapath expression and his wife like him. So the correct and the most appropriate option is option number C, that is he was impressed by the pure and natural innocence in Tarapath's expression. Question 5 पे आते हैं। Which of the following statement about Tarapath is not correct? A. He had voracious appetite. B. He did everything according to his own wishes. C. His family members doted on him. D. He was weary of टाइस। तो इनमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट उस पर फिट नहीं बैठता है? तो द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट इज स्टेटमेंट ए, डैट इट ही हैड वोरेशियस एपेटाइट, मतलब वो बहुत ज़्यादा खाता था। लेकिन ये हमें उससे पता चल जाता है आराम से, जब अन्नपूर्णा उसको खाने के लिए बार बार फोर्स करती थी फिर भी वो ज़्यादा नहीं खाता था। तो ही हैड वोरेशियस एपेटाइट इज द रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट, राइट। वाई डिड क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज वाई डिड तारापथ रन अवे फ्रॉम हिज होम? A. He was compelled by his poverty. B. He was scolded by his brother. C. He was annoyed with his mother. D. He did so of his own free will. So, the option D is the correct answer. That is, he did so of his own free will. So, let's move further. What was the reason that made Tarapath a wanderlust? A. To travel with the Jatra groups. B. A longing to be free. C. To explore the outside world. B. Both B and C. So the correct option is both B and C. So what are B and C? A longing to be free and to explore the outside world. Okay. Question number 8 पे आते हैं। Which figure of speech is used in the sentence given below? तारापथ वॉज वेरी ऑफ टाइस एज ए यंग फॉन। तो हम क्या देख रहे हैं? डायरेक्ट कंपैरिजन है एक फॉन के साथ। सो दिस इज व्हाट इज दिस? ऑप्शन आर मेटाफोर, सिमिली, पर्सोनिफिकेशन और एल्यूशन। सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी, सिमिली। ओके, लेट्स मूव। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 पे आते हैं। व्हाट वाज द थिंग दैट ल्यूड तारापथ व्हेन ही रैन अवे फ्रॉम हाउस फॉर फर्स्ट टाइम? So the options are A. Panchali singers, B. Music from the flute, option C. The songs of the Jatra, option D. The skills of the gymnast. So the correct option is option number C, that is songs of the Jatra. The attraction for Tarapath in going to Nandigram. नंदीग्राम जाने पे क्या अट्रैक्शन था, किस लिए जाना चाहता था? तो ऑप्शन आर ए द एमेच्योर जात्रा ग्रुप, ऑप्शन बी द नेचुरल ब्यूटी ऑफ नंदीग्राम, ऑप्शन सी द चैरिट फेस्टिवल और option D, the Panchali reciters. So the correct option is option A, that is the amateur Jatra group. Okay. So let's move to question number 11. What was the effect of various troops on Tarapath? A. He learned to use foul languages. B. He learned to steal. Option number C. He remained unbound by any kind of habit or custom. He learned to sing and play the flute. So the correct and most relatable ऑप्शन इज डी, दैट इज ही लर्न टू सिंग एंड प्ले द फ्लूट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 पे आते हैं. विच फिगर स्पीच is used in the line given below? He was deep down, entirely detached and free. So you can see deep, down, detached, alliteration. Question number 13 पे आते हैं. Why did Annapurna feel disturbed by Tarapada? He did not obey his commands. B. He did not show any liking for her due to his indifference to her hospitality, due to his negligence attitude. Okay, so correct option is option number C, that is due to his indifference to her hospitality. Question number 14 पे आते हैं. Which the following traits of Tarapada has been compared with nature? Okay, so options are A, relentlessness, B, serenity, option C, detachment, option D, both B and C. So you can find it very clear in the book. The correct option is option D, that is both B and C, that is serenity and detachment both are associated with Tarapada. Okay, 15 number पे आते हैं. What was the impact on the listeners when Tarapada had finished singing Panchali? Options are it took them into a trance. Option B, they wished it would last forever. Option C, it seemed like a music from heaven. All of the above. So the correct option is option number D, that is all of the above. Okay. So question number 16 पे आते हैं. What were Charu Shashi's initial feeling for Tarapada? A, envy and jealousy. B, handsome and headstrong. C, inquisitive and intelligence. D, rude and robust. So the correct option is A, envy and jealousy. Okay. Option 17. Charu Shashi had which of the following traits? Flexible, receptive, obstinate and subservient. So the correct option is C, obstinate. Obstinate मतलब क्या होता है? जिद्दी. ठीक है, obstinate means जिद्दी. तो वो एक जिद्दी लड़की थी, किसी की बात मानने को तैयार नहीं रहती थी. तो the correct option is obstinate. Let's come to question number 18. What was Annapurna's thought when she heard Tarapat sing about love and Kush? What was she thinking at that time? Options are A, Charu will soften on hearing it. B, Charu would be annoyed. C, Charu would give up her temperament. Yeah, all of the above. So the correct option is option number C, that is Charu would give up her temperament. Okay. Now, 19. How could Tarapat get to know people with amazing ease and speed? A, he knew many languages. B, he was engaged and appeared divine. He could read their minds. He could lure people with his pep talk. So the correct option is option number D, that he could lure people with his pep talk. So let's move quickly to question number 20, that is which figure of speech is used in the line given below? Poor Sonamani fumbled for false explanations. So the options are A, simile, B, metaphor, C, personification, D, alliteration. So the correct answer is D, alliteration. C, since they say a fumbled for false, so this is alliteration. And that's all in today's video. Please subscribe my channel. आपके लिए बहुत ही beneficial videos मैं लेके आने वाली हूँ आपके क्लास के लिए. So thank you so much for watching.